They try to make the political system accountable, make them work to target and to deadlines, so the noises of protest and anger from across the country can become a voice.
A symbolic show of solidarity, a catharsis for some. For others, a first step from being a passive spectator to becoming proactive. For Shivanand and Akshay, it started with trying to cool off tempers in different virtual chat rooms.
We were attending the blogs and people were really angry. As usual, the same parties were blamed, the same sections of societies were blamed, and they wanted to get into extreme. And we were here trying to, pacify, bring them down, make them understand, make them put some sense into him.
We were angry first, but then we thought about it. We met like-minded people. What are we going to do about it? Corporate culture. Okay, fine. We are working with corporates. What can we learn from there and try and implement at least?
Transforming the noise into a voice.
Analysis which comes after the anger is.
That was the agenda of this group of young software professionals. They have formed a virtual network with colleagues and friends. They want to develop it into a formidable group to act as an apolitical watchdog to make democracy and the political system accountable, just like any other corporate entity.
Root cause is that we, the elite portion of the society, the educated part of the society, was not contributing to discipline or control or track the political system. There were many social issues, and individually every issue could be tracked and resolved. But at the end of the day, I believe if you can, discipline and trim off the political system, most of the issues will be automatically addressed. We don't have to, work on them one by one.
The mechanism is as simple as this. Whoever we are choosing will have to do the work. We have to choose between the devil and deep sea. We know there is no third option right now. Okay. I know there are just 2-3 governments which I can vote for. They'll form a coalition, they'll come into power. It's my job to get my work done out of that. Right now to begin with, security is our biggest concern. We know that terrorism would not be so easy to root out. We tell them, how much time do you need? You tell us, 2 years? Fine, 2 years. We give you 2 years, but please break it down, give us timely updates, what you are doing. We just are not a group of people who will come back after 2 years and say, have you done your job? And they say, no. We have voted you to power, you are accountable to us. That is all we are saying. We are not an opposition, we are not with you, we are not aligning with you. We just want to get our work done. We'll help you in all possible ways. Because if it's not us, then it's nobody.
Right.
I think it will be success because whoever we are coming to this group feel that every individual has got something to do with it. Instead of passing the blame to others, like only politicians are going to be blamed. We realize that we can do something by ourselves.